Hey everyone, welcome you all. So in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Google Drive. So before going to the video, that is how to use that one, so first I will tell you what is mean by Google Drive. So a Google Drive is a cloud storage space, so you can save your files there and you can create a link, so that link can be shared with anyone, and the person who is having a link of that Google Drive will be able to access the Google Drive's file. So for example, you have a document, so let us say you have a resume and you are applying for some companies and they will be asking for a particular document. So if you can share your resume, it will be good. So what you can do is you just go to the Google Drive and share there, save your resume to the Google Drive and create a link for that one and give the permission as anyone can link with for that one can view that file. So if you give like that, so then they will be able to see that one. So they will be understanding what is your qualification and many more things whatever will be present in that resume basically. So not only resume, you can do this for other things as well, like you have done some projects, then you can't write all your projects in that application form, so just you can give the link of Google Drive so that they will be able to see your project and other curriculum activities. So like this Google Drive is very useful, so it is free of cost. You just have to use your email address there, and I will show you how to use the Google Drive and how to create a link. So let's move on. So before that, I will make a small request for you guys. So if you are new to the channel, please guys hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more updates. Alright, so before you use Google Drive, you have to install the Google Drive. So it will be already in all Android phones, so it is having in my phone as well, so as you can see in the screen. So I will directly show you how to upload a file. So just go to the file manager, so you will be storing a file, whatever file you will be having. So I am having a file in internal storage and I have stored it in a DCMI folder. So here it is, and in that particularly it is in the PPTs folder. So here I am having some of my files and I want to upload this RPL PPTX. So I will just select that one and I will click on send. So once you click on send, you will be given with some options. So either you can share with WhatsApp or copy Gmail, some other options like share it. So you have to select a option called save to drive. So here it is the second option. I will click on that one. So once you click on that one, so it is showing a document title, that is rpl.pptx, and account name Sri Tondle. So I have, this one is my account. So whatever your account will be there, so you have to select that account. So Gmail, this is my Gmail, so I am selecting that one and I am storing there. And you, as you can see here, you can create a folder actually. So this is the Google Drive space and I have created a folder called PPTs. So I will select this one. So the folder selected is PPTs and I have to just click on save. So now the file is being uploaded to PPTX. So I will just go to the home and then I will just open the drive now. So let me just refresh here whether it is shared or not. So I think it is being shared now. So let me just wait for some time. um, Alright, so I will just go to the this section, that is my original section. So file shared with you will be appear here. So the one files which are shared with me, that is connected to my Gmail account, will be shown here. So you just have to click on the rightmost bottom corner, that is this file icon. So when I click on that one, as you can see, PPTs is showing here. So this is the folder, and when I open this folder, so as you can see, once I will just refresh this one. So let me just refresh, it will take some time. Alright, so I will just go to the home now. So if you come to the home, then you can see your file which is shared here. So if I click on that one, so it is opening like it is a PPT file. So if I click on PowerPoint, then it will be opened. Okay, so I will not open that one now. So I will just show you how to share this one. Now once you click on these three dots here, So you can see a lot of options: make available offline, copy link, make a copy, then open with renome. So copy link I have to click here. So once I click copy link, then a link will be copied. So that link, if I uh, paste somewhere here, so let me just open a browser and show you. So I will just open a browser and paste it here. So as you can see now, that file is being shown here. So this file is being shown. So like this you can use Google Drive to upload files. So this is how you can use the Google Drive link. So that link you can send it to anyone. So as many number of people as you want, you can send and make a copy of that one available for those people. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.